Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Guys, this is the first time since I think the end of March that I have been crafting. Yes, because you watched all my videos, but they were all filmed ahead because I went to Italy in the beginning of April for my birthday. Then we stopped in London for a few days, and then I'm back to Sheffield, been work, and today is my first day off. So I'm not entirely sure when you're going to watch this video, but by the time you watch this video, for me, by the day of filming, it's been nearly a month without crafting. OMG. And a lot of things have changed in this month. So I just want to send my very, very big hugs to the crafters in America, in the USA to be precise, because I have received lots of messages about, with your new presidents, there is a lot of, I don't want this video to be political in the slightest. I just want to express, just send you guys very, very big hugs, because I know a lot of you said, oh my God, I don't know if we can get crafting. Everything is going to be expensive, etc., etc. So I think crafting should be all about getting your head and your mind out of problems, that's the way I see it. Just relax and chill. And, for me, crafting, it's my little bubble for my mental health. It's my way to, put myself in this room, craft. And of course, there is the financial side of my business, but also there is the the way I take care of my body and mostly mentally. So yeah, that's it. I just want to just send big hugs. And I know a few of the my American supporters have stopped the VIP lounge. I just want to say, guys, do not worry about it. It's absolutely fine. Honestly, please guys, do not worry, because we need to put bread on the table first, and then it's crafting. Because for me, my digital papers are kind of like on a luxury side. It's not a necessity. So guys, don't worry. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. I interact with comments and thumbs up. That's more than enough. So thank you. Right, today I wanted to make, first of all, I wanted to showcase this kit. This kit was a request from the lovely Tamara. Tamara is one of my VIP members as well, from my VIP lounge, my monthly subscription. And a while ago, long time ago, I think I want to say like a couple of years. So yeah, it took me a couple of years to design this. But yeah, so I made a little, it's a mini kit for 4 pages about San Francisco's. And I just wanted to showcase the kit with you guys. So there is 4 pages, and also a while ago I shared a freebie as well. Okay, so this is on my Facebook group. If you guys not joined yet, please pop over my Facebook group and download this for absolutely free. Okay, so yeah, so what I wanted to do today, and I turned my bracelet this way because otherwise you hear all of this throughout the video and it's not right. So this is what my best friends got me for my birthday, and then there is a little house and a little corn there as a symbol of luck with the house situation. So yeah, so today I want to make some origami envelope. I come across this video when we were in Italy, and I saved it and I thought, oh, I want to have a go. So I'm just gonna try to get, I think I'm gonna go for this one. We're gonna make 2 because I made this last week. Well, I filmed it a while ago, but you watched it last week and you guys asked me what to do with those. So I thought, right, let's use these embellishments for some envelopes, and I will put the video when I made this at the end of this one, so in case you guys have missed it. So to make, there are tons and tons of videos on my channel about origami envelopes. I've done lots of videos with different technique, different ways of doing it, and I came across this one. It was quite fun, so I thought, I want to try, I want to have a go at making it. So this is literally 8 inches, so we're just gonna cut 8 inches. So the starting point is a square. Okay, so I'm gonna save this little piece because there is this gorgeous butterfly which I think I'm gonna use it on the front as well. So the starting point is a square. So what you do, you fold it in half. I just need to try to remember it now. So bear with me. So it's a square. So you fold it in half. And then fold it in half again. I had a wonderful birthday with my family and friends. It's big 40, guys, for me this year. 40 years old, actually 40 years young. And because it was a special one, I thought to celebrate it in my home village. So it was the first time since I left Italy to move to the UK, I actually celebrated my birthday in Italy. So it was a very special one. Right, so we make 2 triangles. So we make a triangle there and we make a triangle there. And then on one side, well, 2 sides, we're just gonna put this corner into the middle. Like so. We're gonna do the same on the other one. And on one of these sides. So decide which one. Let's have a look what is gonna be. I think this is gonna be the bottom. Okay, so we do like so. And then now, this is when it gets a bit, not tricky, but turn it over so the point of the envelope is facing your belly, like it's facing you. So fold this corner here, this little tip on here, all the way down, like so. Okay, so it's got to go down there. Can you see it? It's there. And then open it back out and then gonna fold it, and I hope you can see what I'm doing. Just fold the little corner like so. Okay, and then we do the same on this side until you get in the middle. You need to get a little look that looks like, I'll show you in a second, looks like these. Don't need to be precise, but open it up, fold it back down to this line here. See this line when we fold that, so put that in there. So fold it in half and fold it in a corner there, open it back out. Okay, so until you need to get a loop that looks like this, nothing special. So open it back out. This loop here is going to be fold inside because we're not using any glue or anything. And this is your envelope, and then you can actually put it inside, so there is no glue, no cut, just a super cute envelope. Okay, so I think what we're going to do, oh yeah, I think it's a bit too big. So what about we cut the film strip a little bit? I think we're going to cut it over there and there. Yeah, like so. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm just going to use some double side tape just on here, not a lot, because you just need to make sure stick down a little bit like that, and that is our envelope. Okay, so let's make another one. What, 9 minutes, right? Let me try to be as quick as I can. So let me try, so let me get another page. Let's use this one with the houses and the flowers. So we say it's 8 inches. Oh, this is a bit shorter than it. Let's try 7 3/4. Okay, and then we do 7 3/4 of an inch that side. Okay, like, let me try to be quick. So, square, triangle number 1. Triangle, open it up, triangle number 2 in the opposite direction. Okay. Then put it on this direction. So we fold the corner inwards. 1, 2, and 3. In fact, which one is the nicest? Yeah, let's do it this way. 3. Okay, so now the tip, it's pointing you. Fold it all the way down there. Okay, this way. So this tip is reaching the edge there. Open it up. This tip is now going to the first score line there. Okay. Now fold a corner like so. Can you see it? This way. And then we do the same on the other side. So fold the corner. Can you see? Open it back out, fold it back down. It will resist a little bit. This is the loop that we need. So open the top, and this loop will work as a closure for inside. Inside the envelope. It's because I'm rushing, so it's not one to play. Okay, it's plain. Just give it a little burnish. Okay, and that goes like that, and then that goes inside. And that's a cute way, no cut, no glue, little envelope. Now I got another one of these. Now she is quite big, so I'm just gonna leave it like that, and I'm just gonna trim the strip film on the top. I think I'm gonna go for that. I'm not gonna chop, in fact I think I'm gonna chop the feet too. Yeah, yes, how cute is that? These are quite addictive, because the good things about these envelopes, of course they can be used for your greetings card, but also if you want to put on your journal as a floating ephemera holder. So that's, you know, a cute way to do it. So yeah, 2 super easy envelopes. Guys, I'm going to go 30 minutes. I hope I didn't bother you too much with my talking, but I'm trying to be as speedy as I could potentially be. Right, I'm going to go. There is a Friday video coming up with another freebie. So a couple of more days, if we got an interesting freebie this week. I just want to say thank you so much to every single one of you that wished me happy birthday on a nice message all over my social media and my emails as well. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate your love and support. So throughout this month, throughout April, I'm offering a 40% discount across everything on my website because it's my 40th birthday. So yeah, throughout April, 40% discount, everything, including my ebook, my junk journal workshops, my digital papers, everything is in there. You get 40% discount. Just simply use the code 40OFF. Okay, 40OFF in capital letter, and I will put it here on the screen as well. And if you want to support me further, give this video a big thumbs up. Every time you guys interact with my videos, you tell YouTube that you like what I make, and it's important for me, with such a small channel, to support my journey here on YouTube. Guys, I'm going to go. Have a wonderful day. I'll put a link of the videos that I made. those two embellishment, Team Holt's embellishment. Also, there is a link of my newer kit in case you guys want to purchase it. Everything is listed down below. Have a wonderful day, and until Friday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.